5-minute home workout that replaces 1 hour of cardio. When it comes to cardiovascular exercise, either you love it or you hate it, and for a lot of people, they tend to find it boring and end up hating it. Luckily, for those who really don't want to do cardio, there is a 5-minute home workout that you can do that replaces 1 hour of steady-state cardio. What makes this even better is that it doesn't require you to touch a treadmill, an elliptical, stair climber, or even a bike. Instead, it uses HIRT training, which shouldn't be confused with HIIT training. HIIT stands for High Intensity Interval Training, whereas HIRT stands for High Intensity Resistance Training. Generally speaking, HIRT programs are more intense than HIIT programs and allow you to burn more calories both during and after the workout. The only thing that you need to keep in mind with HIRT training is that you need to choose the appropriate resistance level for your body for each exercise you are completing in the workout cycle. This ensures that you are getting a workout that will have you completely fatigued to the point of exhaustion. Otherwise, if you go too light, it's not going to be an effective workout for burning fat. With this said, let's take a look at various exercises you can do during a HIRT training program. 1. Weighted front squats. This exercise is great because you can choose what type of weight you want to use. You can use a barbell, a kettlebell, or a dumbbell. Once you have chosen your weight of choice, place the weight up on your shoulders and spread your legs a little wider than shoulder width. Externally rotate your feet outward a bit and sit back as you squat down. As you come down to the bottom of the squat, make sure that your knees stay behind your toes, as otherwise you are putting too much weight on both your knees and the front of your feet. This can cause you to injure yourself. So sit back, put your weight on your heels, and push both your chest and butt out. To make it a little easier, you can keep your eyes on the ceiling, as this helps maintain posture. Squat down as far as you can go, come back up, and repeat for 45 seconds straight. Once done, move on to the next exercise without a break in between. 2. The long cycle. You can also perform this exercise with a barbell, a kettlebell, or a dumbbell. When performed with kettlebells, you will be adding a swing into the exercise. This exercise is done like a clean and press, where you start with both weights in front of you and swing them between your legs. At the end of the swing, pop them up onto your shoulders in a rack posture. Then push them over your head by pushing your elbows out and pushing up. You can use your legs for a little extra push, but try not to. Once you have finished the press over your head, lower the weight back down to the shoulder racked position. Then lower and swing through, and clean the press over your head again. You repeat this for a full 45 seconds. If you do not have kettlebells and choose to use another weight, just omit the swing. 3. Weighted burpees. For the weighted burpees, you can use kettlebells or a dumbbell. Hold the weight at your sides and then lower yourself to the ground. Plant the weights in front of you and jump out into a push-up position. The trick here is to keep your hands on the weights the entire time. Do this over and over for 45 seconds. 4. Push-ups. This one is a little simpler in that you perform a push-up. Start at the top of the push-up, go all the way down, and push all the way back up. At the top of the push-up, hop up and grab the weights and pull them up with you. Repeat this exercise for 30 seconds. 5. Leg up crunches. Lay flat on your back, raise your legs up off the ground and hold them there. Place your hands in a prayer position. Lift your shoulder blades off the ground and reach up towards your knees, completing the crunch. All in all, you complete the entire workout circuit for as long as you can go until you are completely fatigued. Generally, most individuals will go for about 5 minutes before they need to take a break. If you find that the above exercises get stale, or you want to add to the length of the workout, add in mountain climbers, high knees, Spider-Man push-ups, and squat jumps. The reason this exercise is going to be better for you than cardio is because it gets your heart rate up and it incorporates in the resistance training you need to burn fat.